Hello and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to easily and simply connect your JBL speaker to your phone. So let's get started. First, take your smartphone, and once you have it, open Bluetooth settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top to open the quick menu. From the quick menu, tap and hold the Bluetooth icon for 2 to 3 seconds to open Bluetooth settings. From there, toggle the button to turn on Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is turned on your smartphone, take and turn on your JBL speaker. Once the JBL speaker is turned on, press the Bluetooth button. This will activate Bluetooth on your JBL speaker. Then, on your smartphone, tap on Scan to search for Bluetooth devices. When the JBL speaker appears, tap on it. A prompt will ask if you want to pair with the device, just tap on Pair. And that's it! Now, your JBL speaker is connected to your phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.